Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH to stake in 2025. If you're into Ethereum and want to start earning rewards through staking, you're in the right place. Staking is a fantastic way to put your ETH to work, helping secure the network while potentially earning you some sweet passive income. But remember, crypto can be volatile, so always proceed with caution. First things first, let's get you set up. You'll need a compatible Ethereum wallet like MetaMask or Ledger for security. Make sure it's updated to handle the latest 2025 protocols. Ethereum has been evolving with upgrades like the Surge, making staking even more efficient. Once your wallet is ready, ensure you have some ETH in it. If not, you might need to buy it from a trusted exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Now, onto the main event, transferring your ETH for staking. Step 1. Head to a reputable staking platform. Options include the official Ethereum staking dashboard or services like Lido for liquid staking. Choose one that fits your risk level. Remember, locking up your ETH means you can't access it right away. Step 2. Connect your wallet to the platform. This usually involves clicking Connect Wallet and approving the connection. Once linked, select the amount of ETH you want to stake. Be mindful of any minimum requirements, which might be around 32 ETH for full validator nodes, or less for pooled staking. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. Double-check everything: gas fees, network congestion, and your wallet balance. Hit confirm, and your ETH will be moved to the staking contract. In 2025, with improved Ethereum layers, this process should be faster and cheaper. After that, sit back and monitor your staking rewards through the platform's dashboard. Keep an eye on your staked amount and any penalties for early withdrawal. Staking isn't just about profits, it's about supporting the blockchain ecosystem. There you have it, transferring ETH to stake in 2025 made simple. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy staking.